This is what happens when ground brisket meets fire. Bold, bubbling, and relentless, layer by layer, we craft flavor. Potatoes sizzling, onions snapping, and every move built on fire. Hand-ground brisket hits the flame. Chimichurri crashes in, fresh herbs searing with every stir. This is real fire-forged cooking. No shortcuts, no gimmicks. Then, the payoff. Cheese bubbling, molten, and alive. Fire doesn't just cook, it transforms. This is New York barbecue, guys. Crafted in smoke, forged in fire.